You walk into an American coffee shop and say, "Can I get a latte?" The barista smiles. But back home, saying that would be incredibly rude.
Or your American colleague says, "To be honest, I think your idea needs work." You're offended, but they were being perfectly professional.
Today we decode 10 things Americans say that sound rude to non-native speakers, but are completely normal.
Welcome. I'm Sarah, and this is William. Today's episode is about American directness and cultural pragmatics.
Understanding this will save you from misunderstandings and embarrassment in real conversations with Americans.
These are B2-level insights, the subtle stuff that textbooks never teach you.
Let's get into it. 10 phrases, real explanations, and how to use them yourself.
Number 1, can I get? When ordering food, Americans say, "Can I get a coffee?" instead of "Could I have?" or "May I have?"
It sounds like a demand to some learners, but it's perfectly polite and very natural. Waitstaff expect it.
Number 2, what do you do? Americans often ask this within minutes of meeting someone. In many cultures, this feels intrusive.
In the US, it's not considered nosy. It's just small talk, a way to find common ground. Don't be offended by it.
Number 3, I don't care. This one trips people up constantly. An American might say, "I don't care, whatever you want," and they mean either option is fine with me.
Context is everything. "I don't care" said with a smile means flexibility. It's not rejection.
Number 4, you should really try. Americans give unsolicited recommendations constantly. "You should really try this restaurant" sounds bossy, but it's enthusiastic friendliness.
It comes from a place of genuine excitement, not criticism. They want you to enjoy what they enjoy.
Number 5, no offense, but... This phrase makes learners nervous. But Americans use it to soften honest feedback.
The key word is but. What comes after is the real message. It's actually a sign they respect you enough to be direct.
Let's dig deeper into a couple of these.
"Can I get" is part of a broader pattern of American informality in service contexts. Americans are casual with service workers. It's seen as treating them as equals.
Compare, "May I have a coffee?" Formal, "Fine anywhere," versus "Can I get a coffee?" Casual, American default, versus "Give me a coffee," actually rude, avoid this.
The "what do you do" question. In the US, people often define themselves by their work. It's a cultural difference, not an invasion of privacy.
You can redirect it to, "I'm between jobs right now, but I love hiking. Do you get outdoors much?" Americans respect confident redirects.
Number 6, to be honest. Or honestly. This signals they're about to say something real, not that they were lying before.
It's a softener, actually. It prepares you for a real opinion that might differ from yours.
Number 7, I'm just saying. Said after making a point that might be controversial. It means don't shoot the messenger.
It's not passive-aggressive when used lightly. It softens the edge of a direct statement.
Number 8, just checking. Americans send this in messages or emails. Just checking in or just checking to make sure you got my email.
It sounds apologetic because it is. Americans don't want to seem pushy. It's a polite way to follow up.
Number 9, whatever works for you. This means I'm flexible, not I don't care about you.
It's actually very considerate. The speaker is putting your needs first. Respond with a specific choice.
Number 10, how much did that cost? Americans ask this about cars, houses, salaries even, topics that are private elsewhere.
It's not always appropriate, but Americans are far more open about money than most cultures. It's curiosity, not greed. Let's talk about the pattern behind all of these.
American English tends to be direct, but with softeners. Phrases like just, honestly, no offense are all softeners. They make directness palatable.
When an American says no offense, but they're doing you a favor, they're giving you real feedback, which is a sign of respect.
In contrast, if they say nothing and just nod, that's when you might not be getting the real story.
The key insight, American bluntness is usually warm, not hostile. Once you understand that, these phrases stop feeling rude.
Let's practice the pronunciation of these key phrases. Repeat after Sarah.
Can I get a coffee, please?
No offense, but I think there's a better way.
To be honest, I wasn't sure about it at first.
Whatever works for you. Whatever works for you. I'm flexible.
Just checking. Hey, just checking. Did you get my message?
Quiz. I'll give you a scenario. You pick the best phrase.
Scenario 1. You want to follow up on an email you sent 3 days ago without sounding aggressive. What do you say?
Hey, just checking. Did you get a chance to look at my email? Perfect.
Scenario 2. Your friend asks where you want to eat. You genuinely have no preference. What do you say?
I don't care, wherever you want. Or whatever works for you. Both are great.
Last one. You want to give honest feedback about a friend's presentation without being harsh. How do you start?
No offense, but... Or to be honest. Then follow with your real thought. That's the American way.
Now you know the secret to American directness. It's not rude. It's just honest with a soft landing.
Next time an American says something that surprises you, remember this episode. Context is everything.
Thanks for listening. See you next time on Learn English.